Figure I'll go ahead and WD-40 some of these little bolts, nuts and bolts that I got to take off to get this bad boy out of here. Get them things sprayed. Get this thing apart, make the most money out of it, baby. Look at the goodness here. Freaking everywhere. Anything that I can spray, make it a little easier, the better off I'll probably be. Goodness, look at that. That's all going to come apart too. Goodness, look at the size of them bad boys. Goodness. Toolbox. You know, ready to come apart. Nuts and bolts got to go. Alright, I think I'm going to pop the top off of that thing first of all. Pop the top off, get the top all the way off. I'm going to start with this one. And then end with this one. This thing's got a lot of good stainless on it. Stainless, baby, look at it all. Look at it all. It's everywhere. Alright, let's see what we can do. First of all, my wife wants me to clean up that, put it out back, so that's what I'm going to do first. And then I'll come back to this stuff now that it's all sprayed down. Alright, let's go to work, guys. Alright, everybody, we are taking things apart today. I've got to get this thing cleaned up. Look at all this good, beautiful copper. Copper everywhere. Got this thing loose. For the most part, copper. Copper. Lots of it. I'm going right down through that thing. See if I can get these things apart. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh yeah, nice piece. Nice piece right there. Cash in the barrel. Cash in the barrel. Next. Beautiful, beautiful. I need the money. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, heavy. Heavy stuff here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Alright, let's see if I can get that last one. Then I gotta get that fan out of there. That gave me a fit. I couldn't get that one screw right there. Let's see here. Bad position. Bad position. I can move it out so get this thing taken apart. What's it hook do? Nothing. There we go. Alright. See if we can work with that. Money dropping everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful. Easy money. Easy money. Oh yeah, that's some big ones. Money in the bank. Let's see if we can get that fan out of there. That thing was locked in there with 2 bolts that I could not get out. I have to cut them. Let's see what we got here. A rusted up thing here. Alright, what's next? I think I need a pair of pliers. Oh, I didn't grab them, did I? Pliers. Okay, go get some pliers. Just to cut it out. It's got to come this way. Sir. All right. Oh yeah, that should come out of there. Should come out of there. Oh yeah, that's all I wanted. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Now, that big boy right there weighs about 400 pounds. That's a compressor. Seems like to me that's worth more than just scrap, so I'm trying to figure out how to get that thing out of here. That might be a job for Superman. Gotta get this thing out of my way. I want to move that to where I can work on it. But in order to do that, I got to get all this other stuff out of my way. And then I'll have to take it off and then reload it again after I'm done. Boy, this thing is a beast. Definitely Grandpa ain't as strong as he used to be. I'll tell you that much. Gotta cut it in half. Cut this thing down. Well, I don't know if I can even do that because I got that thing there stuck to it. Damn. This thing is heavy. With nothing in it, it's heavy. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Even bigger than me. It's out of my way. It's out of my way. All right. I need to go get me a bucket. put all my goodness in it. Copper everywhere. Copper everywhere. Let me go get me a bucket. 5-gallon bucket. Goodness. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Show me all the goodness. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Love it. Copper, aluminum. All kind of good stuff down here. Spiders. Get away from me. Little Spider-Man. Alright. Alright. Little copper nuggets. Okay. Now, boy. I don't have a way to, I just don't have a way to pick that thing up. It's heavier than my tractor won't even pick it up. I already tried. Damn. The tractor won't pick it up. Oops. My tractor will not pick it up. How do I get it out of there? I won't even drag it. Ridiculous. Might have to bring it up there and have them take it out for me. I think that might be the way to go. Look, I got some heavy. Maybe. Maybe I do, maybe I do. No, this thing still has goodness in it. In this end. I'm definitely seeing copper wire down there, but I can't move it. Can't even get into it. Damn. Can't even get inside of it. If that motor wasn't there, I'd be able to. I can't move the motor. Alright, well, nothing I can do with that part of it for now. So now I'm going to start stripping this. Lord have mercy. There is some real goodness here. Goodness gracious. Look at all that. Alright. Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. Start taking it apart. See what we can get off of this thing. Okay, let's go. Get her done, son. Oh, what size do I need? That size right there. Oop. Need a battery. Thank God, goodness for power tools. Wonder if they're stainless. Probably. That is goodness right there. Stainless steel. I'm just gonna start popping screws. Every screw I see, take out. Goodness, what in the world is that? This is a blanket of insulation. Man. Okay, nuts and bolts everywhere. Let's see if they'll come off. Oh, not the right size. Oh, look at there, frog. Go, frog, go. Wrong size. Next size up. Come on, baby. What do I got in here? I need you. Oh, what do we got here? That'll do it. Maybe that's it right there. Not too big. What we got going on? Oh, come on, get out of there. Tell me he's always don't want to come off. Oh yeah, came off. Let's see here. That looks like a piece of copper. Flat piece of copper. That looks like copper too. Let's cut it. Let's cut it. By golly, Miss Molly. Oh, that thing is tall. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's solid copper in the bucket.